Boeing doesn't make mistakes at scale. When the world's largest aerospace manufacturer signs a legally binding agreement for 40,000 tons of permanent carbon removal, they're telling the entire aviation industry something critical. The era of cheap, disputed carbon offsets is over. Aviation accounts for 2.5% of global emissions, but the real climate impact is 4 times higher when you factor in contrail formation and altitude effects. IATA committed the industry to net zero by 2050. Sustainable aviation fuel represents less than 1% of consumption. Next-generation aircraft won't eliminate emissions from today's fleet. EU Green Claims Directive, SEC Climate Disclosure Rules. CORSIA Phase 2 begins 2027. The companies that build carbon removal supply chains now will meet requirements at locked-in prices. Boeing's deal isn't marketing. It's a multi-year offtake mechanism for biochar. Carbon locked into crystalline structures that persist for hundreds to thousands of years. Compare that to forestry offsets. 20 to 100 years permanence versus 1,000. High reversal risk versus near zero. Disputed additionality versus verifiable chemistry. Boeing bought permanence, traceability, and regulatory defensibility. Every ton tracked from biomass to soil application. Bioeconomy Solutions delivers what Boeing just validated. We own the land, grow the trees, measure the carbon, produce the biochar, and tokenize the credits. Our feedstock is Paulownia, 40 to 60 tons of CO2 sequestered per hectare annually. Regrows from cut stumps in 90 days. Harvestable 7 times from a single planting. 7 revenue streams beyond carbon credits. Economics that remain robust as markets evolve. High-quality biochar prices have grown 29% annually for 4 consecutive years. 62% of 2025 supply was sold out before the year began. By 2030, demand will outstrip supply by a factor of 6. The companies that act now secure today's prices. The companies that wait until CORSIA Phase 2 forces their hand will pay whatever the market demands. Boeing's strategic move in bioeconomy solutions, the logical next step for aviation companies seeking permanent carbon removal solutions. Boeing showed you the move. Bioeconomy Solutions is ready to help you make it. The trees are growing. The biochar is being produced. The only question is whether you'll secure supply before the market tightens.